National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland, Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor, Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland, Eastern Bay, Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River until 11:30 a.m. At 9:54 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of showers capable of producing wind gusts in excess of 34 knots from Miller Island to 12 nautical miles west of Mayo, moving east at 20